Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone runs iOS 13 or later, and that Bluetooth and accessibility settings are available. This allows pointer support. Next, connect a mouse. If wired, plug through a Lightning or USB-C to USB adapter, or pair Bluetooth directly. Use a powered USB hub when connecting extra devices so the mouse gets stable power. Once done, open Settings, right arrow Accessibility, right arrow Touch, right arrow Assistive Touch to activate pointer. Once Assistive Touch is on, you customize the pointer so it's visible and comfortable. Change size, contrast, and color to match your needs. Then map mouse buttons to useful actions. Assign left click to primary tap, right click to open Assistive Touch menu, and extra buttons to home or app switcher. Make sure to set tracking speed and scrolling behavior, slower for precision, faster for navigation. If you use dwell click, tune delay times, these settings directly affect efficiency and reduce accidental inputs. You now practice common tasks. Drag items, select text precisely, and use the pointer to trigger split view or slide over. This teaches muscle memory. Make final tweaks and save your preferred configuration by adding accessibility shortcuts for quick toggles. For sustained productivity, assign a button for screenshots or home. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot. Check that adapters or hubs have power, move away from crowded Bluetooth environments, toggle Bluetooth, and restart the iPhone. These steps usually resolve cursor lag or disconnection quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.